But my tears forever flow, 'cause my zeal no anger know. This for sin could not atone. Thou must save, and thou alone. In my hand no price I bring, simply to thy cross I cling. While I draw this fleeting breath, when my eyes shall close in death, when I rise to worlds unknown, and behold thee on thy throne, Rock of Ages, clap for me, let me hide myself in thee.
Oh, I think we got a good crowd. We'll do one more. Let's do one more.